Good morning. This time I'm going to share with you how you can create evaluation form using Microsoft Forms. Okay, so first you need to log into your Microsoft account. You can also create an evaluation form using your personal account or the free account. So just click the app launcher here and then look for forms. You can type it here and then click forms. As you can see, we have here different templates. This is the template gallery, the survey, the quiz, invitation, and registration. For creating quiz, you're going to click this one, but since we're creating an evaluation survey tool, we're going to click new form. Okay, just click new form and you add the title here. This is for evaluation or evaluation, online evaluation for petition. And then add the title of your petition. Tree planting, for example, this is my petition, tree planting for a green community. This is the title of my petition that I wanted the audience or the respondents to be evaluated. Add the description here. This survey is intended to. So you can add a description. For the sake of time, I'm not going to add all the descriptions here. Then you can now create the style. So choose the style. I will choose this one. And then for the background, I have here, since it's about tree planting, I will choose this one. So this is now my background. This is now my template. And then for the setting, you can choose, you can click when to start. So accept responses and allow the respondents to save their responses. I can also add the music. Okay, add the music so that uh, when they are answering, they can listen to the music. So for the background music, I will choose this one. While they're answering, there is a background music. And then let us now add the questions. So this is the section one. These are the options for questions. First, I need to get their name. So first name, I choose text. So you can click required or not required. So I will not click required. So because this is optional. Then the second one, text again for the last name. And then text again. I wanted to add another section to start with my question. So this is section 2. This is intended for the survey questions already. So add the title here and then the subtitle, then add your question. On this section, you can blah 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 and so on and so forth, the description or the title, then add question. For example, the question is about multiple choice. How often you go online? How often you go online in a day? How often you go online? So we already have here the options. You can choose this or add all and then click required. For the next question, if you're going to choose the Likert scale, add the questions here. What can you say about the image in the petition? Okay, so you can add the statement here about the colors, about the contrast, okay, about the harmony and relevance, meaning relevance to the petition. So for the options satisfied, like, let's see what will pop up. Very satisfied. Let me see. Very satisfied. So we have the choices here. You can just click add on. And that's it. So we have now here set up questions and then add questions. If you're going to use this date, the rating, the ranking, it's up to you. The next thing to do is let's have the preview. This is the preview of our questionnaire. So start. This is the computer view. See? And this is the mobile view. Okay, this is the mobile view. Next thing is in order to share to share the link for your responses, just click the collect responses, shorten the link, and copy this link. Then you may now send it to your respondents. Then to view the responses, since this is a newly created form, wala pa tayong makikita dyan. Kaya ang ipapakita ko ay yung aking mga nagawa na dati na forms na. So, hanapin lang natin. Let's just look for my forms I created before. Okay, let me see. We have here the survey. I have 44 respondents. So, to view the responses, click here and you may now download the Excel file. We have here the graph and then how many answered for each questions. Then, if you wanted to print the result, just click this ellipsis, the three dots. You can print the summary link. This is the summary of the responses. Okay? Then, since I need the link, the summary link for me to view the responses, no, if someone asks you to view the responses in real time, just click this ellipsis and then copy this link. Then share this link. So for you, you're going to copy this link and share it to the link I provided on the link I provided earlier. Okay, so that's it, how to create a Microsoft Forms, how to create survey using Microsoft Forms. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.